Hey, have you ever tried homemade pizza? Yes, you would definitely like it because it will come out the way you want it. You make it with the proteins of your choice or veggies of your choice. And when you are enjoying it, you will be so proud of yourself. So today, guys, we are going to be making pizza. Yeah, that is always our best recipe when we don't want to eat much. So let's dive into the kitchen. Let me show you how I made it. So here in the bowl, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add a tablespoon of yeast and little salt. That is just what you need to mix this dough. So I'll be adding water little by little. Yes, you don't want to overrun your dough with water. You have to make this dough to be not that firm and not that soft. So at this point, I'm going to use my hand and make a very good use of it, mixing the dough. Yeah, I'll be using in total 60 ml of olive oil. So you have to be patient in this process because if not, the pizza, this is actually the place where the dough determines it will be fine or not. So after the long process, this is the dough that I have, perfect for it. I'll just go ahead and rub it or grease it with the olive oil, and I will use my thin nylon to cover it and allow it to rest. So this pizza will rest for like 40 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes is also okay. It's okay, but I have to prepare the other things that I need for this pizza. So leave it in your oven. There it will be better. So I'll be using bacon for this pizza as a choice of my protein or protein of my choice. So the best thing I like doing whenever I'm working with bacon is to drain the oil. If you like it, no problem. You see the oil that came out of that bacon. I don't want it in my pizza. All right, as I've gotten it out, I will use that oil to fry my base. So I'll be adding onions to the oil, and I'll be adding tomato. I'm using 1 cup of puree tomato. I want to make my base. If you want, you can make your base, or you can use any other ones that is already made for your base. But as I said, I always like making everything from the scratch. So this tomato base is very nice like this. I'm just going to set it aside. These are the veggies I'm using as the veggies for this pizza. Yeah, I'm going to use eggplant, tomatoes, bell pepper and onion. So I'm just going to slice them into a beautiful form. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. Please don't forget to give me a like, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you. Alright, they are ready. We're going to set them aside, and our pizza dough have rested for more than 30 minutes, which is 40 minutes. I'm going to bring them out. Yes, this is it. It have risen. I'll just go out and give it a punch and take them out and divide them into 4 parts. Like this, I'll be able to work with it. Yeah, I got 5 plates of pizza out of this dough. Yeah, they didn't came the same sizes, and everybody enjoyed it. In fact, it was a very nice feeling. We ate it until the next day to show you how big it was. All right, if you have this pizza dough like this when you prepare it, believe me, your dough or pizza form is going to form with or without pizza tray, and that's exactly what I am doing here. Just gently be playing with it. If you can throw it, but if you hang on the ceiling, say bye to it. So I'm just going to use my roller and be rolling it until I get that perfect shape of a pizza. Another thing, you don't need to worry yourself if the shape came out or not, because this is homemade pizza. What we're interested here to get is the pizza. The form is not really important. So at this point, this is what I got. which is very nice. So I'll just set it aside in a tray. Sorry, yeah, set it in a tray that have a baking pepper or baking sheet already, and set it aside and continue the rest. Alright, everything is ready. Next is to go ahead and make the base. So you see how the tomato base that I prepared is. I'll go ahead and circulate it throughout the whole dough just like this, and we will go ahead first with some cheese. Oh, sorry, this is mozzarella. I'm not using cheese first. I'm using this for the base, and it's very nice in pizza. Secondly, I will go ahead and add the bacons. Yes, this bacon would be very crispy because first you have drilled the oil, and just a little time in the oven, you carry the way you like it. Next is to go ahead and add some cheese. Pizza without cheese is still learning. You need those cheese. Now I'm going to take them to the oven, and this is the second one. Yeah, this is vegetable. I'll go ahead with the tomatoes, then with the mozzarella, and next I'll go ahead with the veggies. First tomato, and then eggplant. Yes, did I told you that I drilled this eggplant in the oven just for a few minutes? Yeah, I placed them in the oven with the bell pepper. That's why they're looking like this. So there's no moisture there. The only moisture we have there is the onion and the tomato. And after that, I'll go ahead with another mozzarella. Yeah, am I calling it well? Oh, I don't know, mozzarella. So this is it. The first one have came out of the oven, and it's looking so nice. Oh my goodness. Hey, oh, enjoyment minister. Oh my goodness. It came out so well. So I encourage you to make pizza at home if you can. It takes time, but as time goes on, you will get used to it. Before you know it, you are done. Just get everything ready, and your pizza is ready, and you will eat it for a long time. I mean, you make a lot of pizza. If you buy them, you're gonna spend a lot of money. I didn't say you should not buy pizza. Buy once in a while to patronize the people who are making the effort to sell it, so that they can pay their bills and so on. But sometimes you do it at home, and this is it. Ooh, it's very nice. So that's the first one, and the second one, the veggies own, I just made it into two because I like the two of them. This is how it came out. I'm just going to share it out into 4 or 6, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for being or to staying here to watch today's video. I really appreciate your time and support. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as I said before, and if you can, please share me out, and also share with your friends so that they will make this pizza as well. All right, have a nice day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.